come outside, just come check on everybody. It finally quit raining, and finally that thing is out. Yeah, and of course, we got the talk-a-lots. So, all I'm trying to, oh, yeah, your mama, and that's her daughter, and I thought it was a daughter and a son, but I think that might be a daughter too. She's just not talking yet. She looking at me? What you looking at? You crazy? But yeah, starting Monday, we got, I think, 90% chance of rain Monday, and then 50%, and then 50%, and then 50%, and then 50%. Whew. I ain't never gonna be able to cut my grass. I'm just looking around, making sure that frost that we got the other day didn't hurt nothing. And no. And like I said, one day I'm gonna have to cut all the dead branches off of it, but not today. I did enough today. I don't even think, oh, God dang, burn my leg. Yeah, this one got hit a little bit, not much though. Go take a look at the coulee, see how much water's in it. Oh yeah. Not that high, not that bad. Last I heard, I think they said we're gonna get 6 to 10 inches. As long as it don't come down all at one time, yeah, the coulee will be fine. Who the heck just screamed like that? Come on, little stupids. Time to go to bed. Come on. Come on. What up, baby girl? You'll be let out in a little bit. Hold on. I can't let you out with the chickens and ducks. You'll eat them. See? See what I got to try to get around? 6 to 10 inches up. Get a boat. What I need to do is get some big, huge rubber boots to where I can just take them off at the door. But I like my work boots. Y'all coming or what? Oh dear Lord, they're gonna make me get them. Look, see, duck egg. They just lay them wherever they want to. Just come in here, just plop. There's an egg. Y'all coming? Oh dear Lord. Nope, they're not gonna come. I'm gonna have to go get them. Y'all coming or what? Nope. I wish they were like dogs. Listen, well, some dogs don't listen at all. Walk around all this. Oh, I forgot my stick. I gotta get my stick. Okay, got my stick. Oh, here comes the ducks. Come on. Holy crap. You need to quit doing that. I'm telling you. Don't you laugh at me or whatever you're doing. Come on. Come on. No, not that way. I know which way to go. Come on. Where's the rest of them? Go. That way. That way. Come on. Come on. I hear them. Here they come. Okay. Go that way. Go in the pen. Go. Go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, water duck. Come on. Go. Y'all know what to do. Come on. It's almost 3 o'clock. I gotta go. No, other way, other way, other way, other way, other way. No, big boy. No, that way. Go that way. Go. 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 That way. Go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Mom. Turn around. Turn around. Go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Everybody inside. Go. Go. Inside. All right. Okay. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Yeah, I did good today. Only had to go get y'all from the field one time. Don't y'all be yelling at me like that. The other ones that are outside the pen, they know how to fly. So, well, all of them can fly, just they don't. But the smaller ones, they know how to fly in the cage. So, but that one there, the one that's outside right there, and the one that's outside over there, yeah, they'll be in the other pen. Oh, and him too. Yeah, it'll be him, and that little one over there. They'll be in the other pen. They'll fly out of here. Right, y'all. That's how I put my ducks and chickens to bed. Well, not to bed, but back in the cage for the night. Oh, I need to get that egg. So hopefully nobody breaks it. But yeah, that's how you can tell your duck eggs. They just squat and just lay them. That's why I have to do an Easter egg hunt every day. Hopefully I stopped them from laying in my shed. But yeah, they're up for the day. Okay, go out tomorrow morning. All right, you have a good night and God bless.